Have you ever wondered how the magic of cinema brings fantastical worlds to life right before your eyes? Today, I'm not just going to show you, I'm going to guide you through creating your own cinematic illusion using CapCut on your PC. So, let's dive into a world where your creativity knows no bounds. Picture this: you filmed a brilliant video, but the background just isn't doing justice to your vision. That's where the art of green screen comes into play. I've got CapCut open and ready on my desktop, and today, we're going to transform a simple subscribe button video and an ocean scene into a seamless masterpiece. First, let's set the stage. Imagine your video as a theater, and the ocean clip is your backdrop. We'll import the serene ocean scene into CapCut and lay it on the first layer of our timeline. As it plays, it's like watching the waves gently lap at the shore, but the best is yet to come. Now, enter the star of our show, the subscribe button shrouded in a green veil. We'll place this clip above our tranquil ocean, setting the scene for a transformation. As you preview it, the subscribe button floats over the ocean, but it's still masked by the green screen, waiting for its cue to shine. Here's where the real magic happens. Select the green screened video and look for the cutout feature. It's like finding the secret door to a hidden world. Click on Chroma Key, and suddenly, you're not just an editor, you're a wizard wielding the power of color. Use the eyedropper tool to pick the green of the screen, and watch as it recognizes your command. Adjust the strength and shadow, and like a painter adding strokes to a canvas, you'll see the green melt away, revealing your subscribe button in all its glory against the moving ocean. It's not just editing, it's creating an illusion so real it could be magic. But don't stop there. Play with the size and position of your button. Make it dance across the screen or nestle it gently in a corner. Your video is a living, breathing world, and you are its creator. As our journey comes to a close, remember this is just the beginning. With CapCut and your imagination, there's no limit to the worlds you can create. If this tutorial has sparked a creative fire within you, show your support with a like and subscribe. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.